Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make protein shake Herbalife, only way. Measure 1 scoop of Formula 1 and 1 scoop of protein powder into a shaker or blender. Pour in 8 ounces of milk or water, add a banana or ice for creaminess, and blend until smooth. Taste and adjust sweetness or thickness, then serve chilled for a quick, satisfying protein boost. Start with high-quality ingredients and keep measurements consistent for reliable results. Scoop Formula 1 and protein powder precisely, choose milk that matches your nutrition goals, and add a banana or frozen fruit for flavor and texture. Blend on high until everything is homogeneous and creamy, then taste and adjust sweetness with honey or a non-calorie sweetener if needed. Store extras in the fridge and shake before drinking. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support future tips and recipes. Quick recommendation: Droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle. It's great to sip between sips of your shake and during workouts. I've linked it in the description along with other deals, so check there for details. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Experimenting with flavors keeps your shakes interesting and tailored to your palate. Start with a base of Formula 1 and protein powder, then add cocoa or instant coffee for mocha, vanilla extract for a classic twist, or cinnamon for warmth. Nut butters like peanut butter add richness and extra protein, while frozen berries create a refreshing fruit option. Always blend well and taste as you go to reach your ideal balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.